She light skin. She real light skin, man. Damn, you should. You still recording?
Yeah.
I'm not fucking playing.
Look how long I can record for. You see this? 3 hours. My battery won't last that long.
Hello.
My hand got cold.
You're off of me. You know. What the fuck is the bus from you? You from behind me? I said, please, no. I don't need to be warm. You better back up. I swear I'm about to steal you. I'm not even playing. If you hit me in my face, don't let one of them slip so I can duck your ass. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
I did it on purpose.
You hit me.
I did it on purpose.
I'm not. No.
Go ahead, you got it.
No, I want you to slip.
Great. No, I didn't hit you with a stick.
I know you something, please. No, I'm about to hit you. You better not move, dog. You hit me in my motherfucking face.
Okay, but I ain't hit you in your face with a...
Alright, well, I can get hit.
Hold on. Let me take off my hand.
Hit. Get my fucking comb.
Get her fucking comb.
I swear, if you don't get my comb off that ground, stop playing. You're not about to... Let me just sit down.
Ah!
Well, you know you don't got no damn temper. You don't even have no temper in your shoes. So I know you don't got no damn temper.
Wow. So this is how people that go together play around.
I'm a colossal fucking fool. Stop with the fucking arm down! Stop fucking arm!
The niggas be trying to go.
They don't even fucking like you. Oh my god, what the fuck is that dirty?
The motherfucking dirty bag. Yes. Do that shit again. That shit was tight, that little.
What? If you ever hit me like that, I will fucking touch you and send you back in the pickle jar. Stop, yo. I ain't no motherfucking Yvette. If you fucking hit me, I'm gonna knock your ass out. I'm not Yvette. I'm not gonna just sit there and cry. I'm gonna knock you the fuck out.
Felicia.
You better go to
Chloe. It's like, no, I'm trying to figure out your name. I keep forgetting.
I'm gonna go to the house. I'm gonna go to the house.
What's that?
Chicken House Church. You know both of y'all about to be on my roster, right?
Hey, you gotta add me so I can get that motherfucker.
I like to take unsuspecting pictures.
Stupid as shit.
Like, I took a picture of you, you ain't know it. I took a picture of you. I actually put like 8 pictures of you
I
and 2
was
of you.
walking this shit.
No, you just standing there.
Hey, what's that get dropped off? Hey, what's that get dropped off right there?
This nigga passed off with his old ass